Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Yates, and in this video I'm going to be going over the answer to the Tuesday word problem of the day for April 14th. Excuse me. So first thing I do is I'm going to go ahead like I always do and read the word problem, and then we'll come up with an answer sentence. The cycles for two different events are shown in the table. Each of these events happen in the year 2000. What is the next year in which both will happen? Well, as I read this, I look at my question, what is the next year in which both will happen? And I come up with an answer sentence. And I could just make it really simple and just say both will happen in, and you could say in the year or just in, but since I use the word year, I just say in the year so I like the words both. Oh, a little bit difficult to see that one. A little shiny today. Let me turn on the backlight here so it's a little bit easier to see. All right, so both will happen in the year blank. Now I notice in this one, boys and girls, that it looks like there's an event and it happens every 4 years, which is the Summer Olympics. And then there's the United States Census, which happens every 10 years. And they started in the year 2000, which leads me to think that we're talking about a pattern today. So what I'll do is I'll set up a table. And I'm going to be looking at this table to help me with that. So I'm going to use this table to help me. On my paper, I'm going to write my own table. We'll call this one the Olympics. And then we'll call this one the census. We'll start off here by making 2 rows. And then I could set up my table so I could follow the pattern. Now they both start in the year 2000. Both are happening in the year they both happen in the year 2000. Now the Olympics happen every 4 years. That means that the next time the Olympics happen, it'll be 2004. And I'm already a little worried that I may not have enough room on my table here to fit everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross this out really quick. I'm going to pause the video and redraw this so it's a little bit easier for me to fit everything. Okay, I redid my table so I have a little bit more room this time. But I'm going to go back and look at Olympics, and on my chart it says it happens every 4 years, and it's both happen in the year 2000. So both the Olympics and the census, I'll start with happening in the year 2000. And then I'll move forward on my chart until I get to the same year for both events. The Olympics happen every 4 years, so I add +4 to every Olympics. And the census happens every 10 years, so I add +10 to every census. So the next time the Olympics happened was in 2004. The next time the census happened was in 2010. I'm going to add +4 to the Olympics and get 2008. I'm going to add +10 to the census, and I'm going to get 2020. Oh, so the census is happening this year. Now, because I've already got up to 2020 here, but I'm only 2008 in the Olympics, I'm going to keep going with the Olympics until I get to either 2010 or 2020. If I need to add more to the census, I will. So I'll go +4, 2012, +4 again. The Olympics happened in 2016. And now I'm adding +4 again, and I'm at 2020. So I don't really have to add any more on the census because now I found that the year, which is this year, is when both the census and the Olympics take place at the same time. So now I know that both will happen in the year 2020. And that's how you solve the Tuesday, April 14th word problem of the day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.